In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone to see your Facebook page. Let's get started. Firstly, start by opening your Facebook app. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Then also on the upper right corner, tap the gear icon. This gets you to your settings and privacy. Now tap on Page Settings. Find Blocking option and tap on it. Here you can see currently blocked people, and also you can add somebody to blocked list. So tap on Add to Blocked List button. Now tap on Search bar and type the name or email of that person you want to block. For example, John. Now you can see result. To block particular person, tap on Block button on the right from the person's name. To confirm your choice, continue by tapping on Block button. And as you can see, you have blocked this person successfully. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.